So let's talk about custom materials. This was been asked for in several different cases for several different reasons. One of them being able to do custom materials like cobblestone or brick or something like that for different things. So, and we've also had a request for it to be able to discern cut and fill in the 3D model other than just visually trying to look at it or look through cross sections, just to visually look at it and see what's in cut and fill being different materials. So with a combination of that, we've implemented something called custom materials, and it's not only the custom materials, but it also can be linked to a cost code. So it does show up in your the estimate for the quantities. So let's go through that. Basically, assigned to any component type, in conditions, pavement, sublayers, and you can use your own PNG image for the custom materials. And you can target the component like an in condition or a lane or a buffer or whatever it may be. And so we'll go through that and how that works. So you go to the backstage and there's a materials there now. And you can put in what you want. So I'm going to do riprap, and I'm going to put it as an in condition component, and I'll go pick whatever I want for my image, and you can set the height and width of the image in there to, you know, however you need to on that. So in this case, I'm going to do it for cut and fill to show different straw for fill and riprap for cut. So changing the image size, just setting it to 10. You can set it to anything you want to. So now when I go to my templates, I'm going to go in and create one of my templates here. I'm just going to use the rural template, and I'm going to edit that, or copy it first and then edit it. And if I go look at my in conditions here, you can see now that I can go and say, instead of grass, I can say I want straw for left and right fill, and then riprap for any cut component there. Now this can be applied to pretty much or any of the components out there. So now you can see the 3D image updates in the preview right there, the thumbnail of it. So I'm going to put in a road now, and I'm going to pick the template that I modified for this. And when I put it in here, you'll see that if I zoom into it, I'm going to make a modification so you get more of some fill in there. So that way it puts some fill in there. And you can see here that now that I've got riprap for cut and straw for fill, you can see in plan or in my 3D model what's in cut and fill very easily. So that's how the custom materials work.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.